Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the stocks that I am planning to purchase for the month of August. So far if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. That will be really helpful for the YouTube algorithm. So far in my channel I have posted 4 videos. One is about the portfolio update in my Robinhood account, and next video I have posted about the dividend that Robinhood paid me for the month of July, and I have posted a video about recession proof monthly dividend stocks, and also I have updated my portfolio update on my last week purchase. So please check out those videos and hit the like button and share it with your friends if you like this video. And now we are going to talk about the stocks that I'm planning to purchase for the month of August. One stock is growth based stocks, and all three stocks I am planning to purchase as a dividend stocks. Can we get into the video? Let's start the video. The first stocks on the growth perspectives, I am planning to purchase the company called Upwork, the ticker symbol UPWK. So I am planning to invest for this month. Basically, the business about the Upwork, it's kind of a paid freelancer uh, for the short term and long term projects. So it will offer for the companies like part time workers. So in this situation, because of the COVID-19, the demand is getting increased. So definitely in future, it will be like a high growth company. The company started in 2013. It has 570 employees with a market cap of 1.67 billion. So if you see about the company business on the website, so what they are doing is, so they are providing the talented professionals to the company as a part-time or hourly basis. So if you look into their business, currently they have the business with Microsoft, Airbnb, Godrej, and Hootie, like a makeup product company. So even people are doing like a part-time job with Upwork. It's like a trusted company. So I'm planning to purchase this Upwork stock for the month of August. So soon I will update like how many shares I'm going to purchase. So for this month alone, so I'll be purchasing the Upwork if it is less than 15. So if the share is dropping in this month, definitely I will be adding more shares for this month alone. The next stock that I'm planning to purchase for the month of August is the ticker symbol called SO. It's called the Southern Company. The company has, high strong dividend growth and also high really dividend safety score. So currently the current dividend safety score is 65, which is still more than 50, which is really good, and the 5 years of dividend growth rate is 3%, and the current dividend yield for this stock is 4.68%. If we see the price range, it has low of 41.96 and 52-week high of 71.10. If we see about the business, the company is in business for more than 100 years. The Southern Company is major regulator utility involved in selling electricity and distributing natural gas, so across southern US. if we look into the company performance, so let's look into the last 3 quarter. The company revenue, I think we have to check. Yes, whoa, Southern company. So let me go over there to check the financial performance of the company. I'm just checking at the financial company performance. So if you look into the last quarter result of the company, so currently it's beating the performance. So if we look into the last quarter, that's quarter to 2020, the company has estimated of 0.67 and it reported 0.78 as a quarterly earning per share. And even in first quarter of 2020, the company reported 0.78 as actual earning per share versus analyst estimate. So it's continuously beating in the quarterly result. The company has a revenue of more than 20 million and it's like consistent across last 3 years. So I'm planning to purchase SO for the month of August. And next stocks in my list for the month of August is ORI. It's called Old Republic. So this company it's founded way back in 1923 with a market cap of 5.23 billion. It has dividend safety score of 73, which is really good, and the 5-year dividend growth rate is 3% per year, and the current dividend yield for this company, it's paying 5.19% per year. Okay, the company actually continuously increasing their dividend for the past 39 years. Okay, so the company is basically doing like insurance underwriting. The company's 54% of operating income is coming from workers' compensation, trucking insurance, and home warranty, aviation, etc. And 34% of operating income is coming from the real estate purchases like fields. Okay, so this has high revenue growth and also the dividend safety score is really high. If you look into the company financial performance in Yahoo Finance, let me go to the financial page. So here the total revenue of the company is more than 7 million, and recently for the past 3 quarter the company performance is really upbeat. So if we look into the last 3 quarter performance of the company, let me start from quarter to 2020. So the company reported as 0.42 earning per share versus estimate of 0.39, and in quarter 1 the company reported 0.47 as actual profit versus the estimated 0.33, and in 2019 quarter 4 the company reported 0.47 versus estimate of 0.49. So in last 3 quarter the company has showed upbeat performance as the quarterly revenue. So that is about the next stock that I'm planning to purchase for the month of August. The next stock that I have in my list is the ticker symbol MDLC. This company, you guys are familiar with this one. It has lot of product in the market. So it has 5-star, Belvita, Cadbury, Dairy Milk, Bonvita, Oreo, Alban Goods. There are lot of products about this company, and they are successfully selling all these cookies and chocolates in the market. So currently the MDLC trading at 55.49 per share. So it has PE ratio of 23.78, which is still reasonable PE ratio, and the earning per share is 2.33. So currently the dividend yield for this company is 2.27 percentage, and the market cap of this company is around $79 billion as a market gap. So if you look into the financial performance of the company, it has more than 25 million across last 3 years. So currently if you look into the dividend safety score of the company is 66, and for the last 5 years the growth rate is tremendous growth rate. It has 13 percentage per year, and the dividend yield is 2.27 percentage. The models has paid higher dividends each year since Kraft executed its spin-off in 2012, including an 11% dividend increase annually in July 2020. The business excellent free cash flow and maintain an investment grade credit ratings. So that is in my list for the month of August. So if you look into the all-time chart, the company is pretty strong. So in the March, it has reached. Let me check for the current year. So it's about $50. So it's almost not down much. So probably it's like at reasonable price that we can purchase for now. So the March low was $43, and now it's trading around $55. That is my next stock in the list. So the final one that I am planning to purchase for this month is the ticker symbol called AWR. It's American Water Company. So let's check the stats of the American Water Company. So the American Water Company is currently has market gap of $2.94 billion, and the price range between 65.11 to 96.64, and the dividend yield is 1.68 percentage with earning per share of 2.28, and the company has P ratio of 35 percentage. The thing is that the AWR, so if we need to look into the business of AWR, so AWR that I'm planning to purchase for the first time in my portfolio. It's kind of a new stock for me for this month purchase. So it's like a American states water that generate 68% of its revenue from providing water utility services to the customer located within more than 80 communities in California. And the thing is that it has dividend safety score of 98. That means it's really safe dividend safety score, and it has revenue growth of 7% for last 5 years, and it has dividend yield of 1.7 percentage as a dividend yield. The company has paid uninterrupted dividend since 1931. That is really great. So that is in my list as a fourth company. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to purchase all these companies, okay, I think we discussed four dividend stocks and one growth stocks. So all these stocks I am planning to purchase for the month of August. So guys, so please leave the comments which stocks that you really liked and you are planning to purchase. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends and keep watching. Take care guys. See you in the next video. Bye.